CLTC 1 2008 was unforgettable.
CLTC 6 was unforgettable.
For me, CLTC was amazing.
CALA 2008 was amazing.
ILTC and CALA 2007 were unforgettable.
ILTC 2008 was amazing.
Project NYC 2008.
CALA 2008.
CLTC 5.
International CALA 2008.
CLTC was unforgettable for me because I met my best friends in the world who changed my life completely.
LSI was unforgettable because I met great people and I was able to learn many new, exciting and interesting facts about Israel with my new friends.
CALA and ILTC were unforgettable because of all the friends that I made.
CLTC was the most life-changing experience that I've ever had. Those best 2 weeks of my whole entire life. I made more friends than I could have ever made, and they're true friends that are going to be with me for the rest of my life.
ILTC was amazing because I learned so many amazing things to bring back to my region and chapter.
CLTC was an unforgettable experience because I learned so much about leading, about the Jewish religion, and about me.
My CLTC was incredible because I made friends that I still talk to today, 3 years later.